Should we record out the front window? So this is Joel and Dad. Joel and Dad on December 23rd, 2017. First YouTube video. Filming this nasty storm in Picton, Ontario. Talk, Joel. Film out the window. No, they don't want to see. Been a lot of snow today, right, Joel?
Yeah. Why didn't you say your actual name?
I did. Well, my name's Justin, also AKA Dad. This is Joel, AKA Bean. Said we're trying to drive around this town without going in the ditch. As my two-wheel drive Ford Ranger is all over the road in this ice because I didn't put sandbags on my wheels. Sure you get right on the, yeah, film right down the thing, get a good video. Show everybody how nasty the weather is.
At the end, can we do our intro thing?
What kind of intro did you want to do, Joel?
Like a cool one.
Yeah?
Usually you do an intro at the beginning.
Okay, well, what, we'll introduce yourself?
Like
What grade are you in, Joel?
2.
Grade 2. That's super smart Joel Bean. Grade 2. Video photographer here. You got me.
It's catching light very
32 years. Ginger.
This one ain't so good on the video. It catches a lot of light on it.
Does it?
But would it look like that on the...
Oh, if you had like a GoPro. This is just on the old LG G3 video. But look at all this snow. Wait till we go up the big hill. That'll be the big test.
I can't see it on there, but I can see it not on...
Oh, we make it up the hill.
I'm showing them the splat on the side of the window.
Yep.
And I'm showing them water on that side. There's a big giant drip coming down. That was a huge water drip.
And we're going down the mini hill. We still got the big hill to go up. And the snowplows have got the roads pretty good right here, but we've had a lot of snow today after we got all the freezing rain last night and this morning, and then it turned to snow, and we've had a lot dumped on us today. Right now is actually the break in between the storm because it's not really snowing at all, barely.
What is that yellow and blue line going across the stream? The stream.
Oh, I don't know. I wouldn't worry about it.
I've been on there for the whole time.
Has it?
Yeah.
Can you tell them we're about to go up a big, huge hill? It's hard to get up in the winter.
I'm about to go up a big, huge hill.
Where do we turn for this hill, Joel? Right here? Right after we go by Thorne's Variety. Right at the old museum. Here goes the bottom of the hill.
We have seen a deer out there.
Yes, we did. We seen a deer right by the fence there.
Yeah.
We're going to try to keep momentum going up this hill or we won't make it to the top. So,
What if we see a deer run across there on this video?
like I said, I'm doing 40K right now, but I want to try truck sideways. Whoa, we're all over the place. We'll get up her though. Got a car behind us. I don't know if they're having as fun in this stuff as we are, but
I'm gonna tell them that we left Jameson there. We left Jameson at the house.
We're barely moving up this hill, Joel. speed now.
Now it's starting to get a lot airy on it.
Oh,
It's starting
Made
to
up
get a
for it.
lot of airs on it.
yeah.
Yeah,
Still videotaping them?
yeah, the look's starting
See how
to.
long our video is so far?
Yeah.
Our video's almost done. When we get up here, we'll. There we go. We're starting to make it.
I like how the trees make that little small gap there.
A lot of people driving around on the roads today. I don't blame them. I'm having trouble keeping.
Did you know on videos it tells what year it is?
It does, yeah. Like I said, we're December 23rd,
I know one thing it wouldn't
2017
show.
today.
There's one thing it wouldn't show on it. That little thing it shows, like the red light flashing and the how long it had been recording. That wouldn't be on the video.
Well, we made it to the top of the hill. Up entering the McCauley's village. AKA the Heights. And the old military housing. Right, Joel?
Yeah.
There used to be a military over here.
We'll,
years ago.
we'll have that little blue and yellow line on the video on a tree coat.
I don't think it will.
Is it just
You
like?
know the stop button?
Is it just like every? Yeah.
Hit
Is it?
stop.
Is it the pause one?
No, right here. Video's out. Cut, take, done.